What's up, eggheads? Kenan here with Newegg Now, where we always bring you the hottest stuff for the best prices. Is your desk cluttered, disorderly? Do you need a good-looking, sturdy, simple way to organize your stationery? Well, if you do, you are in the right place. Let's look at the WEI&WEN Office Desk Organizer. And here it is. Okay, perfect. Take a gander at this superb craftsmanship. It's not shipped, assembled like this, of course. You put it together yourself, but it's very easy. It takes only about 10 to 20 minutes. There are only 12 different types of pieces. You follow the simple pictures and you'll be fine. Trust me, a kid can do it. It's got a unique lock design. Okay, check this out. No screws, no hammers. Each peg, if you see this peg right here, each peg that pops out, they have this little plastic cover like this, and that goes into place like so. Again, no screws, no hammers, no extra tools required for assembly. That is beautiful. It means it's not only easy to assemble, but also easy to disassemble. So if you have to move, for instance, it's not going to be super annoying. Moving is already annoying enough, right? It's made of high density, safe, non-toxic composite material, appropriately sized for any desktop. It's only 15.3 inches long, 11.4 inches deep, and 11 inches tall. And just look at the wide applications, right? Let your imagination go wild. I've put some stuff here to demonstrate, right? You can store file folders, books, magazines, notebooks, letters, CDs, pens, sticky notes. You could put cosmetics, daily supplies. I have a stapler here. It's like a little personal assistant, keeping your file folders perfectly neat and within reach. And my second favorite thing, this tissue holder, all right? That is an amazing touch, all right? This is gonna be great for you, or it's gonna make a great gift for probably any student of any age. Anyone with a home office, it's gonna make any office, classroom, or bedroom work and study friendly, all right? And probably the most awesome thing here, I didn't realize it came with this. What do you think this is for? This cute little cat. Well, they've provided a nice little phone stand. Okay, that is just so cute. I cannot get my head, cannot get myself over that. That is pretty awesome. All right, so the return on investment is pretty big with this one. And that's basically it, eggheads. You can see for yourself just how useful it is. It pretty much sells itself. You get that high quality composite material, tool-free assembly, easy to assemble or disassemble. It's extremely multi-purpose, as you can see. Folders, pens, books, cosmetics, magazines, tissues, great gift for students, teachers, ideal literally for all ages, all places, classrooms, corporate offices, anyone basically who needs a more tidy space. And who doesn't need a more tidy space, right? The WEI&WEN Office Desk Organizer. For specific prices, please check the description or click that link below. I'm Kenan with Newegg Now, and now you know.